I think we should start.
Yes, sir. Very good evening to everyone. I hope you are doing well. I'm Sejal, working as a marketing lead at Indictrans, and I'm excited to be your host today for this exclusive webinar by Indictrans on the topic that is often overlooked, but it is very super critical. That is hypercare in ERPNext. Now we talk about the ERP implementation, the planning, the go live, the big moment, but what about after that? What ensures your users actually adopted the system, what keeps operations stable as team adjusts, and how do you turn an implementation into a long-term run. The above questions arrived after the project went live. That's where the hypercare takes. So we will break down it all today, how it will help you. And to guide us through this journey, we have with us Yash Pare, our speaker of the day. Yash is a functional expert with a deep experience in ERP implementation and post go live support. He had worked closely with clients and the cross functional teams, helping businesses not just to go live, but to stay live successfully. From hypercare planning to incident handling, ticketing system to the user engagement, Yash brings real actionable insights from the field. So without taking your much time, would like to quickly address that in last 15 minutes, we will have the Q&A session. So please feel free to ask your questions in the comment before if you have in between. And after in the last 15 minutes, we will have a direct Q&A session with Yash. So yes, and in any chance we miss it out, so you can drop your queries or your questions in the comment section with your email ID. So we will mail it to you. So let's dive in it. And by the end of this session, we will make sure your ERP journey doesn't just stay strong, but it will be supportive. So over to you, Yash.
Yes, so hello everyone. Thank you for joining this call. Good evening. So we will start the session with the PPT. So I will share my screen and showcase the PPT. Yes. I hope my screen is visible. So I will start the session with introducing myself. So I am Yash Pare. I'm a functional expert into the Indictrans Technologies, and I'm working in the hypercare department for nearly about 6 months. So let us start with the title which we have given, hypercare inertia to stability. So what does it really means? So inertia to stability means there is a resistance into the after the go live that happens from the users that are actually using or actually working on the documents or actually working on the main core areas. So that resistance we have to maintain. We have to solve it from our side, which we help with the help of hypercare. And after that the software and other system become stable. So that's why the title is given like that. So this is many challenges that has been faced in the after the go live process. So I will first address the current challenges what we face, and how we can overcome it, and what type of things that are needed to overcome these challenges. So I will start with the first challenge. So like a birth, fetal to neonatal experience. So what does it means? So in the starting, when a newborn baby is born, so it needs some care and support to be stable into the environment, or to adjust in the environment, and to self-sustain in the environment. So like that itself, that also the system is has gone live. but some sort of errors or some sort of bugs that appears into the after go live. So this system also needs some sort of support and some sort of care, so that it can be self-sustained, and it will be accepted by the end users that are actually going to use the our system. Okay. So after that, I will showcase the second challenges, case of adoption and change management. So what does this means? So during this time, when the go live happens, all the stakeholders or some sort of leaders which have the aim to drive all into the ERP, all into the system. So they know about the system, but the end users that are actually going to use the system will resist this change management. So what we will make them comfortable, and them we will make them to use the software, will help them, and uh, we will try to explain them how the things work, what is the process, and how we can make the result out of them. So after that, for stability, execution to the stabilization. So whenever the execution happens from the implementation team, and the project goes live, so it has gone into the turbulence state. So turbulence state means many complications and many things that can resist the stabilization of the software. So that turbulence, we have to make it stabilized. So whenever a flight takes off, after till the certain point in the air, it gets a turbulence, and after that it gets stabilized, and we will reach our location safely. So it is like that only. So after that, help to understand, support, and satisfaction. So help to understand means we will help to understand the software. We will help to understand the software to the end users, which whoever the users is using the system, and they will have some resistance because they are using some different software for every work they are doing. So suppose many organization, they are using Excel files, or if they are using a CRM portal, so the CRM portal will be different, and the if they are doing a trading, so purchase portal and sales portal will be different. So that's why we have the we have the one channel, which is ERPNext. So what we will do, we will try to help them to come from this different channels to one particular channel, and we will try to support them. We will try them to accept the ERPNext, and after that, whatever the bugs, whatever the issues that they are facing, we will try to explain them, and come up to this and then they will be satisfied, like that. After that, all these challenges makes the client hyper angry. So for this, how we can give the solution to that. So I will showcase the solutions of our challenges. So what they need, so they need a quick resolution. So whenever they are using the system, and they know they are the system has got live. So what they will need, if there is an issue, they need a quick solution. So we will provide that. After that, active customer support. Whenever the customer is having some sort of confusion, or some sort of new requirement or something like that, if they need, so we will try to help them as soon as possible, and we are continuously connected with our customer, so that customer gets satisfied, and our system gets smoothly working. After that, real time fine tuning. If there is any small issue or a small bug which we can address in the real time, or in the as soon as possible. So what we will do, they will inform us that this issue we are facing, and we will try to fine tune it as soon as possible according to the customer, which they how they need. After that, user handholding. So many times the user does understand the understand the system. So what we will do, we will give them the handholding, that how it works. We will give them training or some sort of videos, or some sort of videos, or we can provide them documentation with screenshots also, so that the user can take help from them also and from us also, and whenever it needed. So after that, smooth transition. So after whenever the system goes live with from the implementation team to the hypercare team, so what we will do, we are responsible for the smooth transition. So whatever the information that are there, or how their progress works, how they are using the system previously also. So we will know all we will get to know all these things, and we will make sure that the smooth transition will happen. So bridge to stability. So many times the system which goes live is not stable. It's not that stable as the customer is thinking at the time of go live. After that, he when he does, or she or he does a full testing cycle, then it comes like there is some problem into the system, or some bug into the system, or then and why this happens, because sometimes when we are doing the implementation, so due to the time, or they have some other work, so they are not able to create a full cycle of that. So they have created, and they do not have the what are the actual scenarios of that. So many scenarios that got left. So that's why there are some gaps that are between the go live process, so after the go live process. So that's why we are the bridge to stability. So we will provide them a stable system to use. So this all these solutions will make them hyper anger to hypercare. We will take care of them, and we will make them from hyper anger to hypercare. So this is our motto of our hypercare. So after that, how we have think about that, how we have adopted the hypercare. So we have realized that something needs to be changed. So we have our answer, which is hypercare. I have explained you some things here. So after that, how we think that we will deliver true values to the customer, so that the customer will gain trust on the ERPNext in our system, and then we will move ahead with the they will move ahead with the overall ERPNext with great experience. After that, we will create a success story. So success story means whenever it has gone live, and whenever it has gone live, and after that we have given extra care and support to the customer, then we will provide then it is stable, and then it creates a success story. Means the system is all stable, and system is all stable, and the customer is start working on it, they are liking it, and this becomes a success story for our team. After that, everything aligns smoothly. So everything aligns smoothly. So everyone who is using the ERPNext, or who is using the system. So after these all these things, after the go live, we will try to align the things as smoothly as we can, so that there is nothing there is no obstacle that will be coming into the front of the customer, so that they cannot use the software, or they have some negative feedbacks about the software. So this change management, this is in our team, or our organization. What we have done by taking, or by implementation of the hypercare. So first of all, we have shifted the support tool here. So how it happens? So whenever we in previously what we have done, so we will be, if something is happening after the go live, we will having a call from the customer, we will having an email from a customer, we will having a WhatsApp or message or something like that from a customer, so that they inform us. And this information we were managing into the Google Sheet. And from the Google Sheet, we have shifted from Google Sheet to the issue doc type. And after that, right now we are using the SD ticket support portal. So whenever the customer is having some issue, we have given some user credentials to them, and they will just log into our system, and they will raise a ticket to us, and then we will address the ticket. And then the customer will get satisfied after the ticket is closed. So after that unified ticket process, as I mentioned, that every every customer has a different login credentials, and they will just enter the ticket. And we will have the unique ID for every ticket, and we will have the customer name there, so that we are tracking the customer progress and the ticket progress, so that which ticket has been closed successfully, and what work we have done, and what type of ticket we are continuous, or what type of bugs we are continuously facing. So this type of work which we do, it helps us to help us to see, or we have help us to know which type of things which constantly we are or after go live, which are constantly making an obstacle for the customer. So active SLA migration. So in the ticketing process, we have a SLA migration also. So we have different type of priorities with them, and different type of ticket type we have. So priorities, if the priority is very critical, we try to solve within some sort of hours. After that, if the priority is high, we will try to fix in 1 or 2 days. And it is medium, so it is greater than 1 or 2 days. Like that, we have 4 priorities. So we will adjust them. And if we have failed we have failed to address this ticket, or is this bug into this particular time, so then the SLA will be marked as fail, and that type of things can happen. But in our condition, we have tried to make it as 100% as possible, that we will try to cover all the tickets into the given priority timing, like that. After that, customer feedback loops. So after the completion of after the resolution which we have given to the customer, so the customer will also give us the ratings and the feedback, what they if we have delivered the requirement that is right or not. And they will give us a feedback, and our and their members also, their senior members also, and our senior members also can see these feedbacks. And that so that we are making the overall ticketing thing good or not. So this feedback is also there. So customer will give us the rating, how we like the how we have worked faster, or we have done a good work or not. They will give us the feedback also. After that, streamline follow-ups also. So the customer, if the ticket is not solved for certain amount of time, they can have the follow-ups on the same portal itself, same ticket itself. They will just have to mention us, and we will receive a mail, and then we can have they can have the follow-ups with us. And same with our team, our leaders also. They can also take a follow-up, that what happens with the ticket, and why it is not solved. If it is not solved into the particular time. So that's how the streamline follow-up works. So after that, this is a flowchart which we have created for the support tool shift. So what we have done here, so we have we are taking the issue and bugs from the first with the calls, messages and emails. Then we have shifted, we are entering the data of these things into the Google Sheet. Then we have moved from Google Sheet to ticketing system. Then after that, now we are using the Frappe headlex. So after that, this is the page of unified ticket process. So here he can write the subject of the ticket and the ticket type. We have it the default is it is unspecified, but it has bug type, and if it is a request, it is a task. Then the customer can select, and he can and according to that he can set the priority also. And and the status which it is there. So the status have open, replied, and close and resolved. So what we do whenever we deliver our ticket or our bug to this to the client, we will mark them as resolved. And after his testing and satisfaction with this particular ticket or particular bug, he will mark this as closed. And after that, he will give us the rating and feedback. In the summary box, he will explain all the things. He can add he can add the screenshots also. Um, he can add any document also. And this can happen, this can happen every time. It is a web based system, so he can upload from the mobile also. So everything, and after as soon as he submits this, it will come automatically. Or he can tag us, whoever is the owner of that particular project. He can tag us, and we will get to know about the tickets, and we will work on it. And here one more thing is there, response time. So response time is also there. So whenever we are going to see, or we are going to respond the ticket for the first time, the first response time is also getting captured into this SD ticket solution. And that's where the follow up and the information, that how the ticket, what the ticket was, and how we have responded, and which and turnaround time is also there. So how we have responded on the first time, and how much time we have taken for the resolution, so it is also there. So this is how the thing works. So this is a active SLA migration. So we have done. So this is a test priority level. I have created that. So here, if it is a low priority, then first response time to be 3 hours. Then resolution time is 168 hours. Like that, it happens. And what in which ticketing type it will apply. So if it is a bug, an issue, or server error, or a query, so we have to complete into this particular time period. So after that, the reference we have, so customer feedback loop. So the customer name, and the customer name means the company name will be here, and who is raising the ticket is there. So after that, he can give us the rating and the feedback tags. And if he wants that any extra feedback to be given here, so he can give the feedback here. After that, streamline follow up. So we can have the we can have the our efforts also, if there is any efforts. And if when the date of approvals has come, any approval reference like that. And when the issue has been closed, the closing date is also here. So after that, what is our progress? So first of all, how we start. So we will start with the knowledge transfer. So whenever the one customer has come from implementation stage or operation stage to the hypercare department, so we will have a knowledge transfer. So the implementation team will inform us that this project is going to be live. So so we will have a knowledge transfer with the implementation team. And we will understand all the aspects of how the progress has been done, what are the customization there, and how the client works, how the client responds. So everything in this knowledge transfer will be there. So after that knowledge transfer, all the knowledge transfer sessions will be recorded, and the document which they have shared at the time of starting the project, they will share with us, and we will go through it, and we will try to understand. And if we have any doubts, we will go to the implementation team, and then they will explain us whatever the things it has. After that, kickstart and onboarding. So after the knowledge transfer, there is a meeting that will be scheduled between the customer and the implementation team and the hypercare team. So the implementation team will introduce us to the customer, that they will be taking care they will be taking care of the system or the website, or your system after the go live. And in the meantime, they will be also there for few days, so that if there is anything which is not been transferred to us, and if we have some doubts, and we are trying to understand this type of things, so the implementation team will also be there for few days. And after that, we will whole take the responsibility. We will be onboarded purely on the system, and we will take care of that customer after that. After that, setting up the process and the SLA. So after that, we will have internal meeting with our team, and after that, who will be doing what role, who will be the FC of the from the hypercare, who will be the developer of the hypercare, and we will set the SLAs for the particular customer, or we can have the default SLAs also. So this type of things we will manage, and how we have to manage the tickets, and how we have to done the process. We have to do that. After that, support, we will explain that support ticket management to the customer, and how the priority works, what is the turnaround time, and how the closure works, and how the feedbacks works. All these things we will try to we will train the customer to raise the ticket from our system, and how he can see the progress of the tickets. So all these things we will explain to him. We explains to him. After that, review calls. So review calls with the customer. Once a week, we will have a review call with the customer, with our team, and what issues they are facing, what are last week what we have achieved, what are type of tickets we have gone through. So like that, all the things are there into the review calls. So after that, client visits. So we will have a client visits um, uh, uh, once in a month with the client, so that many things that are not addressed in the calls, so that the client visit gives them also a confidence that we are taking care of them, and we are looking forward to help them in every situation. So that's why client visits are there. So they will also the client visits also build the confidence into the client, that yes, this work is I am facing this type of issue, and this work is getting slow, or something like that. So with the client visit, it gets the coordination gets better, and our relationship also get better, and then we can have we can move forward with a good and positive image. After that, inclusive training and upgrades. So inclusive training and upgrades means, so we will give them a training whatever the issues or bugs they have addressed to us on the supporting ticket management. If it is very small, then we will try to explain them on the comment section itself. But if it is a big something, big issue, a big change, big change means understanding why it is big. So we will try to explain them and give a demo or a training to them. And we will give a training, and also we will provide a documentation also. So what type of change, what are the things that previously that has been configured, and what we have changed, and how it will work. We will all give them trainings and updates. If some customer is trying, wants that upgrade from some one version to another version, means 14 version to 15 version, then that is also included in our hypercare department. So we will upgrade their system, and also we will train them if there is something new and something is changed from the previous version to this current version, new version. So we will try to explain them, and we will train them how it works. So after that, there are few things that is also covered into, that is also done by the hypercare department. If there is any change request, means the things which are not there into the starting or scope of work, we will have a change request. We mark this ticket as a change request. If there is any heavy upgrades, means two version jumps. So if some client is on 13 version to, we have to jump it from into 15 version, then it is exclusive. It is exclusive, but we will make an estimation and efforts with them. We will share them, and that's how it works. And a specialized training, if the client wants that, the training, some training has to be given to the end user, that after the go live, that already has been explained, or they want that a client visit for this particular training. So that is also been done into the hypercare, but it is exclusive. So this is the hypercare. I hope I am clear. If you have any questions, you can ask, and do share your feedbacks. Thank you so much.
Hi, Yash. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
So, Yash, you said that you've been working on this hypercare for the past 6 months. So, would you like to just share that? What are the common types of issues that arises that we should all be careful during the implementation phase itself? Just if you can throw some light on that. What are
Yes.
the common use cases that comes?
Yes. So most of the things, mostly what happens is, so as I mentioned that whenever there is a change management, so every time when there is a go live or there is a implementation stage, so what happens, there are some stakeholders and the leaders that has been included into the time of the implementation. So the end user, which is really going to use the software, they are unaware of that. So what happens is they try to resist that the system is bit difficult to understand, and because the system is difficult, but they are using some different software for this. As I mentioned that for CRM they are using something else, for salary, they are salary slips, they are for payroll they are using something else, and for purchase orders or sales orders. So all of these things we have clubbed into the ERPNext. So the inertia process is the main issue that we face, and trying to we are trying to we try to explain them. We will try to take care of them and support them, so that they will go with us with the software, and they understand the software, and they will get the confidence in the software, and they will start using that, like that.
Okay. So you're saying that the end users don't use it initially. That's what creates the problem.
So they registered. They registered because they are the actual owners of that particular documents. So they register like that. If they are using something else, that then they have to come from there to here. So they have to change. They have to upload the database, and some sort of master things they have to do. That is a one-time work. So if they have uploaded this all the previous data into our system, then it will become very easier to take forward. But this initially this things happens.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. This HyperCare all goes through the SD ticket system. Is there any other thing that has to be used for the HyperCare, or it will all goes through the SD ticket system of ERPNext?
So it all goes to the SD ticket system, sir. So whatever the issues you are facing, and any type of issues you are facing, you can log into our system. We will provide you the user credentials, and you can have you can select select the type of priority, and we are there to select the type of issues which is of the ticket. So according to that, the SLA will work. So it is all on the SD tickets.
Okay, it means that the HyperCare is all it is using the support. It's just like the support, but by the support you are just provide the caring to your customer, right?
Yes, so caring of everything, sir. So if there is any bug also, so if there is some bug, there is some error into the
No,
system.
that all can be done through the support system. But what is actually, I just really want to know what is really different. What makes the HyperCare makes the different from the support system. So what is there? Is there anything that makes HyperCare different from support system, or is it completely included, or it is the expansion of the support system?
Yes, hello, Abhinav. Yeah, hi, Abhinav. This is Gansham here from Indictrans.
Okay, yes, sir.
CEO. The main difference for the HyperCare support is available everywhere. People can, get tech support, functional support, but the major, USP for this HyperCare is we are having the SLA in place. So if you are having any kind of issues, any kind of problems, there is an SLA in place, and there is a turnaround time which we are tracking.
Okay, we have also an SLA in the ticket system too, sir.
Yes, it's a ticketing system. Yes,
We have also.
ticketing system.
So how is it different? That's my question. But what is really new in this? That's what I want to.
Yeah, hi, Gupteshwari.
Yes, Gupteshwar.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, till the go live, we have certain set of people who are interacting and with Indictrans and the other side of the team who are trying to define the system. So that's a story till the go live. But when it goes actually live and everything falls on the ERPNext thereon, maybe they are coming from different softwares. Maybe they are using Excel sheet, Tally, or something like that. So there are a lot of people who comes to the system, and they are not aware of the system properly, because day-to-day operation happens at various level and stages. So there are a lot of chaos. Though the trainer happens and then the further training happen, but still there is because of their business pressures and everything, thing does not go as smooth during the training and everything. And then ultimately the day of go live, everything, all the chaos starts. So now we have an onus to make them stand and make them use the system, because that's when the system will become actually useful for them and the ROI will come into picture. So that's what we try to do. So as soon as we go live, the period before that, the hypercare team comes into the picture with the operations team to get to know how, what kind of implementation, what kind of customization, everything what they are doing as in process implementation, so that they can take care. And as soon as go live happens, I mean, there is a parallel work, and then swiftly hypercare takes ahead and they help them with all. So with, apart from the bugs and issue which is taken care on the support ticket, so there are trainings, there are skirting issues or skirting use cases which does not come into implementation somehow, or any such things which comes as in the things happens. Maybe we did some flow in the UAT pass, but we have something different scenarios or something, because everybody is expert in their things and they are trying to do their case. So that there is a lot of friction and this thing. So hypercare majorly try to solve that and make them stand and sustainable for the system and get used to that system. So that's a major part. Apart from rest, everything is taken care on the support system, which are bug issues and whatever they require as an add-on thereon.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Yes, is there any other questions? Hello.
Hi, Yash. I guess there will be no more question. I guess so. If anyone want to ask something, can. Or shall we conclude the session? Okay, so let's conclude the session. Thank you so much, Yash. It was very insightful session and it was very knowledgeable. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending this. We will share the feedback. Anyone? Yes, we will share the feedback form and we are looking forward for your feedbacks. So yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Yash.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sejal. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Yash.
Thank you.
Thank you, yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Yash.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yash. Thank you. It was wonderful.
Thank you, sir.